Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako si Mika.
At ako naman si Denise.
Good day everyone. My name is Mika.
And my name is Denise. In this video, we're going to learn the different title names we call our relatives and others in Tagalog.
Handa na ba kayo?
Are you guys ready?
Tara, magsimula na tayo.
Let's start!
So most foreigners wondered why they always hear Filipinos call strangers in their country ate and kuya. What is ate? What is kuya? And what does it really mean? And why do they call them that?
Well, when someone calls you ate, it automatically makes you an older female. And if someone calls you kuya, it automatically makes you an older male. Kuya, in English, means big brother. So if you're an older male, or you have younger siblings, they will call you kuya here in the Philippines.
Calling someone kuya is not only for the big brothers. We can also use kuya for our older male friends, older male cousins, and for older male strangers as a sign of respect. For example, kuya, saan tayo pupunta?
Big brother, where are we going?
And for cousin, kuya, saan si tita?
Big brother, where is aunt?
And for the strangers, kuya, magkano po ito?
Big brother, how much is this? Same goes for the word ate. Ate in English is big sister. And like the word kuya, we can also use ate to show respect to our older female friends, older female cousins, and older female strangers as well. For example,
Ate, nasaan si mommy?
big sister, where is mom?
And for older female friends, ate, saan tayo pupunta?
Big sister, where are we going?
And for older female cousins, ate, saan si tita?
Big sister, where is aunt?
And for the strangers, ate, magkano po ito?
Big sister, how much is this? Now that we're done with the ate and kuya, let's move on to the next word, which is bunso. Bunso in English is the youngest, whether it be in your family or your group of friends. So it's self-explanatory when translated. We use bunso for the youngest, boy or girl, in the family. But Filipinos also use bunso for the youngest in their group of friends, if they're close. Because Filipinos are very family-oriented, so they tend to treat their friends as family as well.
For example, bunso, nasaan si mama?
Youngest, where is mom?
And for friends, bunso, ingat ka pag uwi.
Youngest, take care on your way home. Now let's move on to the parents.
Let's start with mother, mommy, or mom. Mother in Tagalog is nanay, inay, ina, or mama. But some Filipinos use nanay or nay to show some respect for the elderly women.
For example, you're at a tindahan, which is a mini store, and the sales lady is an elderly woman. You can just say, Nay or Nanay, magkano po ito? Mother, how much is this? By calling her Nay or Inay and adding po to the sentence, it automatically shows respect and decency. Now let's move on to father, daddy, or dad. Father in Tagalog is papa, ama, tatay, or itay.
So I guess it depends on the family culture and how you prefer to call your dad, whether it be tatay, itay, tay, or papa.
But I don't really hear Filipinos call their dads ama anymore. So I guess it really depends on the person or the family culture.
Now let's move on to the grandparents. Grandmother in Tagalog is lola. Grandfather in Tagalog is lolo. For example, Lola, kumain ka na po ba?
Grandmother, have you eaten already?
Lolo, nakita mo ba si Lola?
Grandfather, have you seen grandmother? Next word is tito or tío, which means the brother of one's father or mother.
Next is tita or tia. In English is aunt, which means a sister of one's father or mother.
For example,
Tito or tita, kamusta ka na po?
uncle, aunt, How are you?
But Filipino also use tita or tito to refer to their close friends' parents.
Or their parents' close friends. For example,
Tito, tita, kamusta po si... Insert name of your friend.
uncle or aunt. How is... insert the name of your friend. Or you can also use tito or tita to ask your parents' close friends like,
Tito, tita, insert the parents' close friend's name. Nakita mo po ba si mama at papa?
uncle, aunt. Insert the name of your parents' close friend. Have you seen my mom and dad? Now that we're done with the parents, grandparents, and siblings, let's move on to the grandchild.
Grandchild in Tagalog is apo, which means the child of one's daughter or son.
So if you're already a lolo or a lola and you miss your grandchild, you can simply say,
Apo, namimiss na kita.
when translated to English, it means, grandchild, I miss you.
So these words are the different titles that we use in Tagalog inside the family and for the strangers.
If you want to learn more Tagalog words or phrases, comment down below. We got you. So it was nice to see you guys again, and we hope you learned something through this video.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Maraming salamat sa panonood!
Thank you for watching.
Hanggang sa muli!
Until next time.
Paalam!
Bye!